seat onto the dais. Physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health. We have gathered here today to revere this great practice and inculcate it into our daily life. To invoke the blessings of the Almighty and lead us all in prayer.
Sharanagatam Amba Sharanagatam Mamava Manjula Charana Kisalaye Sharanagatam Mamava Manjula Charana Kisalaye Modita Kavi Janardaye Sarojanilaye Maizadaye Modita Kavi Janardaye Sarojanilaye Maizadaye Sejasiru Hasana Priye Amban Sada Veena Gana Priye Sada Nandardaye Mahisadaye Sejasiru Hasana Priye.
Request our NSS coordinator Mr. Shashi Kumar Shetty sir to welcome the gathering.
Respected dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and my dear students. Today we are all gathered here to celebrate the International Day of Yoga. With this, it's my privilege and honor to welcome today's guest and the dignitaries. First at most, I welcome Professor Dr. M.S. Muditaya, Honorable Vice Chancellor of the NITE deemed to be University. I welcome you, sir. On the occasion of International Day of Yoga, it's my privilege to welcome today's guest, Mr. Shashank Bhatt. I like to introduce him to today's gathering. His initial study completed from Vitla Pre-University College from Vitla. Later, he studied Bachelor of Business Management from Vivekananda College of Puttur. And later he joined MSc Yogic Science at Mangalore University under the guidance of Dr. K. Krishna Sharma. And after Master degree in Master in Yogic Science, he started as a yoga therapist and started Yoga Center, namely Yoga Shema, which is familiar to our Shema name in Naguri and Mangalore. So he participated in many international and national yoga workshops and seminars. With this, I welcome you, Mr. Shashank Bhatt, sir. I welcome Dr. Harsha Ali, Registrar of NITE deemed to be University. I welcome you, sir. I also welcome Professor Dr. Sumalata R. Shetty, Medical Superintendent of Justice K. Secretary Charitable Hospital. Welcome you, ma'am. I also like to welcome Professor Dr. J.P. Shetty, Vice Dean of Kshema, and Professor Dr. Amrit Mirajkar, sir. Welcome you, sir. And also I like to welcome Professor Dr. Danish, Principal of NITE Physiotherapy College, Prasanna Kailaja, sir, the Director of Student Welfare and Alumni Relations, and other dignitaries, the faculty members. Especially, I like to welcome Dr. Kishan sir, who is the backbone of this yoga event. Last 1 week, he is conducting in this platform. And also, I like to welcome all the NS yoga trainer who was there here for last 1 week to train our students, and all the NSS program officers and volunteers. With this, I welcome all of you. Thank you very much.
We will now proceed for the lamp lighting ceremony. happening in the stadium. I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor and our Chief Guest to hand over the tokens of appreciation. Assistant Professor and in charge Nitte Center for Integrative Medicine and Research. I would like to call upon Dr. Anusha Rashmi, Associate Professor, Community Medicine. Mr. Dinesh Kumar Shetty, Sir, Lecturer, Humanities. Dr. Sri Vidya PS, Student Counselor, Kshema. Dr. Sri Sharath K, Research Scholar, Kshema. Dr. Prerna Hegde, Chief Dietitian, JKSHCH. Our token of appreciation to Dr. Prerna. Mr. Vishnu CP, Yoga Therapist, Justice Case Hegde Charitable Hospital. I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor to kindly hand over our token of appreciation. Mr. Raheel Haroon M, Intern, Alvas College. I request our Chief Guest to kindly hand over the token of appreciation. Mr. Dipin Konsam, Intern, Alvas College of Physics, Naturopathy and Yogic Sciences. I request our Chief Guest to kindly hand over the token of appreciation. Mr. Shiv Shankar Sharma K, Alvas College. I request our Chief Guest to kindly hand over the token of appreciation. Thank you, respected dignitaries. And thank you to all the facilitators of the yoga session for making it a success. It is my pleasure to call upon our chief guest for today, Mr. Shashank Bhatt sir, to address the gathering.
Good morning to everyone. Yoga is the journey of the self, through the self and to the self, says in Bhagavad Gita. Respected Professor Dr. M.S. Mudite sir, and respected all the teachers and all my friends. Namaste and a warm welcome to the special gathering as we come to commemorate an International Yoga Day. Yoga, originating from the depth of an ancient India, has evolved into a universal language that transcends cultural and geographical boundaries. It is a practice that unites the body, mind and soul. As we delve into the depth of yoga, we find that it is much more than just physical exercise. It is a way of life. It is the path of enlightenment, of harmony and inner peace. The word yoga itself signifies unity and connection. It derives from the Sanskrit root yuj, meaning to join or unite. The fundamental aspects of yoga is asanas, pranayamas and meditation. The asanas are the physical postures that cultivate strength, flexibility and balance. Pranayamas are the regulation of breath, and another vital element of the yoga. Meditation is the cornerstone of yoga, takes us into a journey towards inward. The yoga extends far beyond the physical and mental dreams, also teaches us the art of living, guiding us to lead a balanced and compassionate and meaningful life. And finally, I urge you to I urge you all to incorporate yoga into your life, not only today, but every day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, dear sir, for your enlightening words. I consider it my privilege to call upon our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M.S. Mudithaya sir, the Presidential Officer for today's gathering, to address the young yoga enthusiasts present here.
Good morning to all of you. Esteemed Chief Guest of this International Yoga Day celebration, Yogi Shashank, my colleagues, Professor Harsha Halahalli, Professor Jayaprakash Shetty, Professor Mirajkar, Professor Sumalata, heads of institutions of our constituent colleges, our functional directors, learned colleagues, and most importantly, budding professionals. And I'm very happy that you're all participating in this program. And you have been practicing yoga for the last 7 days. Possibly some of you might have been practicing yoga for many, many years, but at least a few of you have been introduced to yoga only recently. Many would wonder why a university like NITE University, which is offering professional academic programs, is introducing students to yoga. Because we believe that if you are to excel as professionals, your mind and body should work together. It is said that your thoughts become your words become your actions become your habits become your character, and your character will decide your destiny. And therefore, if your destiny is to be excellent, if your future is going to be brilliant, it is essential that right from your thoughts, you should mend your way. If bad thoughts comes to your mind, that becomes the action, that becomes the words, action, habit, character, and destiny. Whereas, if you are introduced to good thoughts, your destiny is going to be wonderful, it is going to be great. Having joined NITE University and having joined the professional programs in this university, your future is certainly going to be bright. But the thoughts and what you feed on day-to-day basis to your mind, if that is not taken care of, something could go wrong. We don't want anything to go wrong. We want you to be very successful. We want you to be proud of yourself, your parents to be proud of you, the whole society to be proud of you. And I'm sure if you have participated in this program, the thought of practicing yoga on day-to-day basis would have gone to your head, and I'm sure you will continue to practice yoga on a daily basis. And this is the day of the International Day of Yoga. If you have started it, I'm sure you will continue, and your destiny, you are destined to be successful and a great professional. Wish you all the best. May God bless you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your encouraging words. We have now come to the end of the formal function, and I consider it an honor to thank all the dignitaries present here. Heartfelt gratitude to the governance of NITE deemed to be university, our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M.S. Mudithaya, sir, for taking time out of his busy schedule and gracing the occasion. Thank you very much, sir. But, sir, for taking time out and coming to enlighten our small crowd, I request our Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, to kindly hand over a token of our gratitude to our chief guest. Thank you, sir. I sincerely thank our Registrar, Professor Dr. Harsha Halahalli, sir, for his support and guidance. I thank the respected directors of various departments, Medical Superintendent, Head of the departments, Head of the institutes, Physical directors, respected faculty, and all the dear students for your participation and guidance to our event today. I sincerely thank Dr. Kishan for his unconditional support in making this event a success. Thank you so much, sir. Our NSS coordinator, Mr. Shashi Kumar Shetty, sir, and Professor Dr. Dhanesh Kumar KU, sir, in their efforts to organize this event. Thank you so much, sir. I thank all the facilitators of the yoga session for their skill and experience. Thank you. I thank the decorators, the caterers, and the media personnel for their services, and I thank all the students and the faculty for their active participation in today's event. Now, I would like to hand over to our chief guest to start with today's session. Thank you very much. I request our dignitaries to kindly take their seats for today's next enlightening and encouraging event.
Now, Samastitim. Join your legs. Keep your palms near the thighs. Make your back straight. Loosen your shoulder. Breathe freely. Breathe for 5 counts. One. Two, three, four, exhale completely. Now Swastikasana. Inhale. While exhaling, fold your arm, left leg and keep it in the root of the right thigh. Now inhale. Exhaling, fold your right leg and keep it to the left calf muscle. If it is possible, you will do. Otherwise, sit comfortably. Now, both the hands in Chin Mudra. Just touch your thumb and index. Make your back straight. Close your eyes. Silent prayer. Breathe for 5 counts. One. Two. Three. Four. Exhale completely. Then slowly open your eyes. Remove your Chin Mudra. Now inhaling, stretch your arm. Right leg. Exhale there itself. Inhaling, stretch your arm. Left leg. Now Vajrasana. Join your legs. Inhale. Exhaling, fold your both the legs together backward. Sit on your heels. Keep your palms over the knee joint. Make your back straight. Look straight forward. Breathe for 5 counts. One, two, three, four, exhale completely. Now Supta Vajrasana. Inhale. While exhaling, bring your both the hands backward and catch your left wrist by right hand. Inhaling, straighten your back. Exhaling, bend forward. Close your eyes. Try to touch your forehead to the floor without lift your buttock. Breathe for 5 counts. One, two, three, four, inhaling, come up. Keep your palms over the knee joint. Exhale there itself. Now Urdhva Vajrasana. Join your palm, clasp your palm, turn to upward. Now look at your fingers. Breathe for 5 counts. One, two, three, four,